Next, let's think about compounds. Here, we define a compound as two or more lexical morphemes, or perhaps better put, two different roots put together. This means that we're not considering prefixes and suffixes. We have to have two or more units that stand as the center of their own words in other instances. With few exceptions, especially in English, compounds will have one accented, that is, stressed, syllable. For example, we can see here redhead, the compound has one syllable that's accented, and red head as two separate words, each have their own accent. The same is true here. Blackbird has one accented syllable, but blackbird has two. In addition, a compound normally has a somewhat different meaning than the two morphemes do independently. A redhead is not the same thing as a head that is red. Instead, it refers to a person with red or orange hair. Likewise, a blackbird is a specific type of bird, not just any bird that's black. On first glance, our tree structure approach to morphology seems to work for compounds too. If we look at the word blackbird, we see that we take bird, a noun, and we attach an adjective, black, our two roots, to get a noun, blackbird. Okay, that seems all right, but now let's look at the word pachyderm. Although you may not think of it as one, based on our definition, pachyderm is also a compound. We have two different roots put together. Does this tree capture pachyderm and its meaning? Pachy, which means thick, is an adjective and gets attached to the noun derm. This gives us a noun. However, this should mean thick skin. But a pachyderm is something that has thick skin. There seems to be something missing here. A pachyderm does not refer to the skin, but to the possessor of the skin. What about the word redhead? Well, the same thing applies. A redhead is someone that has a red head. The has idea isn't present here in the morphology, at least not explicitly. Let's talk about different types of compounds and see how we'll use trees to represent them.